Hello, how are you? I'm going to make a bloom today and I'm using JDiction 4-hour fast cure, and I've warmed it in the Resiners resin warmer, which I love very much. I've bought these all myself. So I'm just putting my clear resin into the mould, which is from pouring your heart out, pouring your heart out. So, and I thought I'd put a nice little dried flower in the centre, just for something a little bit different. This is Octopus ink in strawberry. I like this colour very much. It's nice and bright. And I decided just to stay with the one colour. This is Super Sparkle White in the 200 mesh. So it's like a mica powder. And I'm going to use this with some Octopus Enoki. I think I put 10 drops in, I think. And this is what I'm going to use. This is what I'm going to use to pipe around to create the bloom. So it was all like a skimmed milk. So it's kind of like translucent. And I'm just going to swirl around all this ink. Make like a nice pretty pattern. So, reminds me of raspberry ripple ice cream. See what I mean there? I got a bit carried away swirling around. I was enjoying myself. With the piping, I'm just gonna like follow like the large petal. I'm just checking to see the how wide the end of the piping bag's gonna be. I thought about this pattern for a long time, how I could kind of do it in one stream, if you know what I mean. And I mixed up way too much white. I had a lot left over. I did use it all up though with other things. Alright then. So I'm just moving the white a little bit, so hopefully I don't get any blobbies. So I'm just smoothing it out so um it gives it a better flow, I guess. Because if you don't like thin it out, it'll just like blob because it'll be too heavy. So wish you luck. This is for the backing, and it's Nicolette's Resin dark green, and a light grey, which was from Chem, that's an acrylic ink, and some what is it, like rainbow glitter. I wanted it to be more like a more grey, but this happens, so it works out quite nice, to be fair. I guess it's like leaves or grass. Like in my brain, it's, you know. I didn't want to use black, and green is opposite to red, so I went with that. And I pour some clear in the centre. Again, this is JDiction 4-hour fast cure. Time to demold. It's a lovely mould, this. It's I know it's a bit chunky, but it's just nice to handle. Do you know what I mean? Alrighty then. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. I am thrilled to bits with this. I think it looks amazing. On camera, it doesn't, you know, in the photographs, it doesn't look. This is the best I could show you. I'm just so happy. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Thank you for my subscribers and everybody. You're all amazing. Discounts in the description below. Love and hugs. See you soon. Bye bye.